It's just going to be an unboxing of the Andobil cup holder car phone mount. Comes in this nice box here. And one thing I like, the sticker that holds it, it's got a tab, so you don't have to try to dig under there with your fingernails. It's got a tab, so you easily pull that off. And get that box open. And let's see what comes in the box. You've got your actual phone holder here with that standard ball mount on the back. And you can see nice carbon fiber backing. Looks really good, really slick. You've got nice soft rubber grips on either side as well as on the feet. And you've got your release button here. Nice soft release. Oh, that's nice. When you push it in, it's very smooth. So either of these buttons releases, and then it's nice and smooth. You can hear the clicking there, kind of. You may not be able to hear that over the microphone, but there's a nice clicking, but it's a very smooth when you're pushing it in. So very nice. Like the way it looks as well. It looks very, very sharp. Let's look at the rest of what comes in there, because that's what holds your phone. But the other part is how you put the phone in. That is the cup holder portion. Here you go. Once again, also a very nice looking mount. A nice slick sort of, this isn't real chrome, but I don't think, but it looks like chrome finish. So it doesn't just have a cheap plastic look when you stick it in your cup holder. You've got this rubberized bottom again, so it's going to hold in place. And then these have rubber on them, so those are all rubberized. And let's see. There you go. So you twist this, you can see those extend out pretty far. So it should fit almost any cup holder. So that's how far they extend out. So you stick that in your cup holder, and then you turn this, and that's going to be how you push it in there, how you let those push against the wall of your cup holder so that it holds it in place. Really nice design. And then you've got this nice gooseneck. You can see you can turn it however you need to turn it to get your phone where you need it to be. And then this is going to go snap onto here. This and that. It's going to go in there, so you can position how you want your phone to be, and then when you get it in the position you want, tighten that up, and that's going to hold it in place. And then you just push the gooseneck, bend the gooseneck to where you want your phone to be, and there you go. You've got your nice cup phone holder. Good looking, but also extremely functional and very well made. I love the way that closes. It's such a smooth close, and then when it opens, that nice soft open. So very very well made a phone cup holder, again by Andobil phone smartphone cup holder. And then you also got this little sticky. This is for wire management. So if you're wanting to run a wire to plug your phone in to charge it while you're in your car, you can stick this somewhere to help manage your wire. So it's like a little bonus that's comes in the box as well. And then of course you have your guide that comes in the box, which you probably won't need since you just watched this video and you now know how it works. But it does come with a welcome guide, so you know it works. So that is everything that comes in the box.